Just laughing at the song.
I was on a mission trip.
What song?
We were doing it was a race of some sort, and you had to like shuffle. You had to like hold on, stay there a minute, roll
Ow,
over.
that really hurt.
Roll over a minute.
No.
I had to show you something.
Ow.
Fine, what am I doing?
Who did that?
Lying down.
How did that
You just shuffle to the side. Like I had to like go this like this the whole like.
Oh my gosh.
Like that, and you did it for like 10 people long, and then you flopped on the ground, and then the person behind
Oh
you
my
went.
God.
It's
I
like
think I was
leapfrog.
trying to kill
I would
somebody.
fall.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
That's
Nobody
almost
did.
bad. It's like when you have to crawl between people's legs, and then somebody like to smash
Do you like to do that a lot?
Bad. Yes,
I'm running to the
fun.
ground. I think I'm safe.
And there she
Grab
goes.
my arm.
Heather.
Oh no, I'm not laughing.
Okay, you good?
I can't make that voice again that I did before. It's like, I found a girl. The movie.
That was all a video, wasn't it?
Me falling? No.
One girl, and then she looks in the mirror, and then she falls.